what's up everyone? Welcome back on my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you some outfits that YesStyle sent me. Thank you so much YesStyle for sending me these K-pop inspired outfits. So this vlog is like a dress like K-pop star. So I'm gonna show you outfits that will at least may naman kayong idea kung ano yung order nyo sa YesStyle if you want that K-pop inspired look. So guys, if you are gonna order sa YesStyle, again, use my code Clarissa10 for 5% off of your total purchase, guys. So download YesStyle now because YesStyle sells a lot of K-beauty products when it comes to shoes, skincares, bags, accessories, outfits from extra small to large na mga size. I highly recommend YesStyle when it comes to quality and comfort. So again, download YesStyle now, as in like 80% or 90% sa outfits ko, guys, is from YesStyle. And if you guys makita nyo ako, yung mga sinusuot ko talaga is from YesStyle. So, actually, I've been missing in action na sa YouTube, but everyday naman ako nag-upload sa TikTok. So, if you want to see me, mga weight loss tips, fitness, diet tips, what to eat, nandun lahat sa TikTok ko, guys. So, follow me on TikTok. It's Miss Calorie Deficit. So this week has been a very tough week for me, so I'm gonna mix this vlog with a try-on haul and a Saturday reset vlog. So ayan lang, since I'm super busy this week sa work, I'm gonna date myself, I'm gonna reward myself. So I think mag-eat out tayo, mag-grocery tayo, and magpa-massage if kaya pa sa time, or mag-coffee date. So we'll see kung anong mayayari sa araw ko today. But I just woke up, guys, and ayan, mag-prepare lang ako. Mag-prepare lang ako kasi I'm gonna show you mga 4 or 3 outfits that is like K-pop inspired. Again, thank you so much. A huge shout out to YesStyle for always sending me your products, and hindi talaga kayo nagsasawa for picking me as one of your YesStyle influencers who's gonna showcase your outfits. So let's do a try on haul. A lot of K-pop artists usually wear a fit crop tee and they pair it with a high-waisted washed straight fit wide leg jeans while performing, and specifically we are talking about Blackpink or New Jeans because I always see them performing wearing just a denim pants and a crop top. And as you guys can see, this top is super stretchable. This is a short sleeve cherry and bow print slim fit crop tee in the size large. I am a size extra small and I'm 5'7" foot tall, so this is like a reference for you guys. This pants, I highly recommend this one to those who have a 5'5" height because medyo baha siya. It's kind of short for me. I'm 5'7", and yeah, the bottom part is just too short, but it fits me so perfectly. And this dress, I'm obsessed with this. This is not see-through. It's so comfy, perfect for a hot, humid weather. I love the design. It's very refreshing. It has pearls, and as you guys can see, I am double layered siya, and I just love wearing this. Perfect for a summer outfit. And this is a close-up look for this outfit. This is the Fox pearl strap tie dyed midi sundress in the shade yellow and in the size small. So I am 5'7". I am extra small, guys. I weigh 47 kilos, so this is just like a reference for you guys. And sobrang haba niya, sobrang classy. I really love this dress. I highly recommend this dress to you guys. And yep, I can see K-pop artists wearing this dress as well. And then next, we're having this pajama set. This is a short sleeve floral top plus shorts in one size only. Again, I weigh 47 kilos. I'm 5'7". This is stretchable, super comfy. It has a pocket on the left side, and ayan, it has lavender flower print. So sobrang cute lang talaga, and it's not see-through. Perfect for a hot, humid weather. I love the quality. I rate this one 10 out of 10 when it comes to comfort. And this is screaming Jennie from Blackpink. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with this look. The top is a bow accent bustier tube top in the size small, And I'm also wearing a high-waist mini A-line skirt. So this is a close-up look of the top. This is screaming Barbie. Barbie doll, guys. Super duper cute. Highly recommend. So nice. I love this corset. And this skirt is giving a tennis or sporty type of skirt lang. Hindi makikita yung panty nyo, guys. And it has a pocket on the side. And sobrang cute lang talaga. And I'm also wearing this rhinestone fox pearl layered choker necklace. I am obsessed. Super cute. And I'm also wearing this plain socks, knee-high socks in one size only in the color black. Sobrang cute nito, guys. I can perform like mga Blackpink dance moves because of this outfit. And K-pop artist is all about accessories. So ayan, nag-order talaga ako ng accessory, guys. I love this look as in. Hi guys, so I just showered and this is my outfit for today's video, and mag-grocery tayo. Again, this one is from YesStyle. From YesStyle, as in lahat talaga ng damit ko, guys, is from YesStyle. And I think this one is a size large or medium. I'm an extra small and gusto ko kasi yung crop top ko medyo mahaba siya, guys. So, like crop top siya a little bit. Like, it'll show a little bit of skin lang. So, ayan. So, yung weight ko ngayon, I'm 47.50 kilos. And magpapalaundry ako, mag-grocery, and before that, inom muna tayo ng coffee. Let's drink coffee first, guys. I really look forward sa pag-inom ng coffee shape first thing in the morning. So, I love this top. Thank you so much, YesStyle. It's kind of stretchy then. It's comfy, perfect for a hot, humid weather. Like right now, I'm sure 47 degrees tayo for today's video. So, ayan lang, guys. If you guys are following me on TikTok, you guys know how much obsessed I am sa Hiho. This is my cheat jar, Piatos and Hiho, perfect combination. Ito na yung pang refill ko. We have here the spicy and the truffle flavor, spicy cheese. And ayan na yung mga Hiho ko, guys. It's in buong yan Hiho. We also have here puro Hiho yan, guys. That is my guilty pleasure is Hiho. Kumusta naman mo, Kuya Mike? And I think I'm gonna date my mother-ins kasi hindi ako nakapunta sa bahay na agtong kuan, guys. Straight ahead na lang to. Agtong Mother's Day. So, hindi ako nakapunta sa bahay na nung Mother's Day. So, we are gonna go there. And kaya hindi ako masyadong nag-vlog, guys. It's because you guys know I'm an introvert. Fiesta dito sa Butuan, guys, ngayong Sunday. So, sobrang busy na mga people ngayon. Pista, ugma ang pista. Nag-sale man karon ng mga tindahan, 3 days eh. I-mix na natin. Ano sa man may sauce? Oh, iyahang sauce.
beef kaka cholesterol. Okay ni once a week, once or twice a month. Karang mo siya ra gid tam. Kita mo kunin mo rin alam mo.
Alang na tita. Oh, ba't na nga dito tita first time?
First time eh. Ano na pizza ko? Puro lang eh. Kani ipulyo naman eh. Aw di litos nga kanito am. Litos nga ipulyo. Next dito ani? No? Patatas?
Hi guys! So, I'm just gonna update you. Pagkatapos namin kumain dun sa Ayam, sinatid ko yung aking mother-in-law dun sa Buena Vista kasi she's going to visit a friend, and then bumalik ako dito sa SM guys, and kasi kailangan ko mag-grocery, pero pwede naman bukas na ako mag-grocery, pero since I have the time, so ay pumunta ako sa SM, and grabe, since fiesta bukas sa Butuan, ang daming tao sa SM, hindi ako makapag-parking, like it took me 30 minutes para mag park, pero wala. So right now guys, I pick up my laundry and magpapa-massage na lang kaya ako guys, kasi ayoko pang umuwi. Nakita nyo, sobrang init talaga. I think dyan ako sa Cyboran magpapa massage for 2 hours. And time check, it's 12:55, and binilhan ko si Papa ng buko juice, and meron pa tayong leftover pizza. So mamaya, I really need to relax, to unwind. I'm gonna treat myself today kasi grabe talaga, ang dami kong, this week has been really tough, and I'm so glad that with the Lord's guidance and protection, nagawa ko yung trabaho ko. So ayan, I don't know if makakapag-film ako sa Cyboran, but yeah, yun lang. Magpamassage muna ako guys. So yep, let's go!